Hello everybody, welcome to today's vlog. Today we're exploring. Well, not really exploring, because I've been here multiple times. Hi! There's James. We're going to Guitar Center because James needs new strings. Because he brought his mini guitar and I brought my guitar. We're writing stuff. And he broke his string, which sucks. So he literally bought new strings to restring the broken string. And the new strings that he bought broke. So we have to buy new ones. And then we're gonna go to Best Buy, which is right over there, same place. And buy an HDMI cable. Because so I can plug my laptop into the TV so that we can watch Netflix and stuff. Instead of having to watch the regular TV that they have. Because we don't want to pay money for Wait, are we going to Best Buy or Guitar Center first? Even though we're like right in front of Best Buy.
Yeah, and there's a Target right there for milk.
Yeah, but anyways, I just exported today's vlog. I'm going to be uploading it as soon as we get to the pool. And yeah, so we'll see you guys when we get back to the hotel.
Bennett left his camera here, and now I'm in charge. Yes.
There's a fire.
A fire has been reported in the building.
Come on, laptop.
Please proceed to the stairway
Here, Hunter.
and exit the building.
Throw this in there.
Do not use the elevator.
Fire, fire, fire. Fuck the laptop charger. I gotta put you down. I wanna die running down the stairs.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A fire has been reported in the building.
Alright,
A fire has been reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairway and
this,
exit the building. Do not use the elevator.
that, this. Phone, my drink. Alright, I gotta talk to you guys later. Bye.